Hello everybody, welcome back to another Gap Languages video. In this video, we're going to talk about the story of the ant who doesn't listen to his friend's advice. So before we're going to start the story, I want you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. So this way we will be more motivated to make more contents for you. And you can also share this video with your friends, and also you can leave a comments down in the description. So if you have any kind of suggestions or anything about the videos we make or the contents we make, you can go ahead and put your questions in the comment section. We will definitely read and try to reach out to you and want to make more contents based on your needs and based on your expectations. Thank you. So this story is about an ant, as I said earlier. So here we have hikayat in Dari, or in Farsi it means story. So let's go ahead. Oops. All right. یک روز مرچه برای جمع‌آوری دانه از راهی می‌گذشت. So sorry, I said روز. This should be روز. I said یک روز. روز یک مرچه برای جمع‌آوری دانه از راهی می‌گذشت. So this one, روز یک مرچه, a day, and for برای جمع‌آوری دانه, for collecting or for gathering seed. He passed a place. از راهی می‌گذشت. So he was passing a place. Excuse me. ناگهان نزدیک کندوی عسل رسید و از بوی آن دهانش پر از آب شد. ناگهان means all of a sudden or suddenly. He reached to a storage of honey. So kandui asal, it's a kind of a storage where honey is stored. Okay, so when he arrived there, از بوی آن دهانش پر از آب شد. Literally, this means as بوی, from its smell, his mouth became watery, or his mouth was full of saliva. So, it's a kind of a water. دهانش پر از آب شد. His mouth became full of water, literally. چون کندوی عسل بالای سنگ بلند قرار داشت. چون کندوی عسل بالای سنگ بلند قرار داشت. Since the storage of the honey was it was on the top of a stone or rock, مرچه هر قدر سعی کرد نتوانست بالا برود. So the ant هر قدر, like so much, he tried but couldn't reach above, or couldn't reach the honey. و به آن برسد. So and couldn't reach or reach there. ناچار از مرچه بالدار کمک خواست. So this means like he had to, ناچار means he had to ask his friends for help. So let me read it one more time. روز یک مرچه برای جمع‌آوری دانه از راهی می‌گذشت. ناگهان نزدیک کندوی عسل رسید و از بوی آن دهانش پر از آب شد. چون کندوی عسل بالای سنگ بلندی قرار داشت، مرچه هر قدر سعی کرد نتوانست بالا برود و به آن برسد. ناچار از مرچه بالدار کمک خواست. So let's move on. مرچه بالدار گفت. So again here, مرچه بالدار means like winged ant. So as there are some a type of ant, they have wings. So the ant who has wings said, as in هوس دست بردار, like stop. دست بردار is like stop from this craving or from this desire. هوس is like, it's a kind of a craving, or you desire for something. Mostly hawas could be something useless, something, meaningless. It has a negative connotation. زیرا عسل چسبناک است. And his friend says, so stop craving this, or stop craving whatever this is, like, because it was about the honey. زیرا عسل چسبناک است, because the honey is sticky. چسبناک, something which is sticky. و دست و پای در آن گیر میماند. دست و پای در آن گیر میماند. So your hand and foot will stuck in the honey. مرچه گفت, the ant said, اگر دست و پای کسی در عسل گیر میماند, هیچ کس عسل نمیخورد. Now the ant says, agar, so if, dast pa means hand and foot of somebody would stuck in the honey, nobody would eat honey. So each kas asal namikhord, like nobody would eat asal or honey. مرچه بالدار گفت, the winged ant said, ممکن کسی پیدا شود تو را کمک کند. Maybe there might be somebody help you, or there might be a person help you. So, or somebody will, basically he's saying there might be somebody who can help you with your cravings or with your desires. اما من با تو همکاری کردن نمیتوانم. اما من با تو همکاری کردن نمیتوانم. But I cannot help you with that. So hamkari is like to give somebody assistance or assist somebody. So the winged ant says, well, I cannot help you with that. در این وقت مگس رسید. So at this time a fly came. رسید is like arrived or came. و با مرچه گفت, and said to the ant, آیا عسل میخوایی? Do you want honey? So آیا عسل میخوایی? Do you want honey? من حاضرم تو را کمک کنم. He says, I'm ready to help you. مرچه با خوشحالی گفت. And the ant said with, or the happily said, the ant happily said, or with joy. با خوشحالی here it means happily or with joy. He said with joy. بله, yes, آرزو دارم مقدار عسل بخورم. I wish to eat some honey. So he's just wishing. So مگس مرچه را از زمین بلند کرد. He picked up the ant from the ground. بلند کرد means he picked up. نزدیک کندو رساند. And put him or put him near the storage of the honeycomb or honeycomb. It's I think the honeycomb. و خودش رفت. And the fly went. خودش, it means he himself went. So it's talking about the fly. مرچه با اشتیاق تمام از عسل چسبید و گفت. مرچه با اشتیاق تمام از عسل چسبید. چشید. This is چشید و گفت. مرچه, the ant, with full appetite, با اشتهای تمام, with full appetite, از عسل چشید. So چشیدن here it means to taste. و گفت and said, wow, چه بویی, what a smell, چه مزه شیرینه, what a sweet taste. بعد کم پیش رفت, and then he went a little ahead تا میان کندو رسید. So he reached to the storage of the honey. ناگهان متوجه شد, all of a sudden he realized که دست و پایش به عسل چسبیده. His both hand and foot are like stuck in the honey. و دیگر نمیتواند از جایش حرکت کند. And he can't move anymore from his place. دیگر نمیتواند از جایش چی کند؟ حرکت کند. حرکت کردن here it means to move. From his place, he can't move from his place. مرچه فریاد زد. He shouted. فریاد زدن is like cried out or shout. He shout و برای نجات خود کمک خواست. And for rescuing or for saving himself, he asked for help. در این وقت, at this time, مرچه بالدار از آنجا میگذشت. So the winged ant was passing that place, or he was passing there. دلش به آن او سوخت. His heart, literally it means his heart burned for him literally, but it's the equivalent of he felt pity for him. و نجاتش داد, and he saved him or rescued him. گفت, and in the winged hint said, من به تو گفته بودم. I had told you که حواسای بیجا دردسر و سرگردانی باعث دردسر و سرگردانی می شود. I had told you that cravings, like meaningless cravings or useless desires or meaningless desires would cause pain in the neck, and it makes you wander. بعد از این مواظب باش که چنین حواسی نکنی. And the end says, so be careful. Afterwards you're not going to think of these kind of cravings or desires. و از مگس کمک نخواهی, and never ask the fly for help. زیرا او همدردتون نیست. Because he has no passionate or he has no pity for you. و نمیتواند دوست و خیرخواهی تو باشد. And he can't be your friend and somebody who never wants good for you. مرچه از این که نصیحت مرچه بالدار را نشنیده بود. Since the ant didn't listen to his friends or the winged ant's advising, و با خود عهد کرد. And he promised to himself که دیگر حواس بیجا نکند, so he would never think of any useless or meaningless desires or cravings. و مشورت‌های سودمند و مثبت دوستان خود را بشنود و به آن عملی کند. And he would listen to his friends' meaningful advices and positive advices of his friends and do them or act on them. Alright, so now I'm gonna read it one more time without explanation so you can just listen. Alright, let me go all the way. Okay. روز یک مرچه برای جمع‌آوری دانه از راهی می گذشت. ناگهان نزدیک کندوی عسل رسید و از بوی آن دهانش پر از آب شد. چون کندوی عسل بالای سنگ بلند قرار داشت، مرچه هر چقدر سعی کرد نتوانست بالا برود و به آن برسد. ناچار از مرچه بالدار کمک خواست. مرچه بالدار گفت از این هوس دست بردار، زیرا عسل چسبناک است و دست و پاهایت در آن گیر میماند. مرچه گفت اگر دست و پای کسی در عسل گیر میماند هیچ کس عسل نمیخورد. مرچه بالدار گفت ممکن کسی پیدا شود تو را کمک کند، اما من با تو همکاری کرده نمیتوانم. در این وقت مگس رسید و به مرچه گفت آیا عسل میخواهی؟ من حاضرم تو را کمک کنم. مرچه با خوشحالی گفت بله، آرزو دارم مقدار عسل بخورم. مگس مرچه را از زمین بلند کرده نزدیک کندو رساند و خودش رفت. مرچه با اشتهای تمام از عسل چشید و گفت واو چی بویه، چی مزه شیرینه. بعد کم پیش رفت تا میان کندو رسید. ناگهان متوجه شد که دست و پاهایش به عسل چسبیده و دیگر نمیتواند از جایش حرکت کند. مرچه فریاد زد و برای نجات خود کمک خواست. در این وقت مرچه بالدار از آنجا میگذشت. دلش به حال او سوخت و نجاتش داد. گفت من به تو گفته بودم که هوس‌های بیجا باعث دردسر و سرگردانی می شود. بعد از این مواظب باش که چنین هوس نکنی و از مگس کمک نخواهی، زیرا او همدردتون نیست و نمیتواند دوست و خیرخواه تو باشد. مرچه از این که نصیحت مرچه بالدار را نشنیده بود و با خود عهد کرد که دیگر هوس بیجا نکند و مشورت‌های سودمند و مثبت دوستان خود را بشنود و به آن عملی کند. All right, everybody, that is the end of the story. So if you have, again, if you have any questions or anything, you can just ask us in the comment section. And if you are like interested in studying Dari, Pashto, Uzbek, these are the local languages. So you can go ahead and check out our website at www.gaplanguages.com, where you can find our website and you can book your slots. And we have amazing and experienced teachers, so you can find them more practical and more interesting. And at the same time, if anybody is like interested in studying English, we also have English classes for people who want to study English. Anyhow, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.